Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to take a look at Aussie US dollar and look at the key levels of interest, because price is continuing to move to the upside, but what we noticed from the weekly analysis was the fact that the market has made a higher high and the RSI has made a lower high, so we're getting some slight divergence between the indicator and price. Now typically when we see these type of moves in here with the divergence, we do get a strong reversal, and seeing it on a weekly time frame adds a little bit more weight to the potential of the market moving lower. Now typically this time of year we know that the dollar is weak. We've spoken about this on a numerous videos now. So really we're expecting the market to climb slightly higher before seeing that move down. And what I'd really like to see from this market in particular is a nice bearish week, okay, before we start seeing those pullbacks. So looking at the charts right now, we can see there's quite a clear level around about 0.7, if it'll let me drag, here we go, 0.7695, so around about 0.77 would be an interesting area to see the market come and retest if we were going to see that move down. But also as well, we have a decent level around about 0.76, so we've got about 100 pip range where the market could retest and then look for that downside from. So number of confluences so far, we have the price making higher highs, the RSI making lower highs. We have the fact that the dollar loses value over this time of year heading into next year, where we typically see dollar strength. So are we going to see one last rally up, very much like our analysis over on Kiwi dollar? However, we don't really have much in the way of commitment of trader signals on Aussie US dollar. That's why I prefer the New Zealand dollar reversal at the moment. But typically Aussie and Kiwi do follow similar paths when it comes to trading against the dollar, and we can see here market finds support, resistance, the market drops away. We haven't retested that structure again, so I'm expecting the market to push slightly higher, then look for that reversal, and I'm going to be looking for a nice weekly bearish rejection of this zone before considering trading this market. Because if we go to that 4-hour time frame, price is continuing to move in an uptrend, okay. We can see that from this view just here, the market broke into new highs, and ever since we haven't really changed cycle once on this 4-hour time frame. We've had a couple of false breakouts, but nothing really considerable in terms of changes in trend. So I'm expecting the market to rally into this zone, nice change in cycle, forming a weekly bearish candle, and then looking for the rejection from there. In the short term, you could look for some potential long positions into this point. We go down to the hourly time frame, for instance. You know, this area here at the moment is looking quite good. So around about 7.546 where price is at the moment. We can see, just looking left, market has reacted from this numerous amounts of times recently. So if we get a break and retest in the short term, you could look for a long up into that 0.76 level, but then we're looking for that potential change in direction at that point. I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching this video update. I'll speak to you soon.